Hello friends, welcome to VBSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science, a mission with a vision of Veerabhadraya Demaya, a vision village schoolmaster serving rural Karnataka in the field of education. Well friends, VBSM Academy is going to start classes for the 10th standard students, particularly rural Karnataka. You can utilize the classes of physics, that is science. Come on, let us have a mission with a vision. Follow the discipline of our VBSM Academy. Dear students, every day log in at 5 p.m. Please follow up your studies with the following disciplines. Fresh up early in the morning prayer, attend school, say good morning to your parents and teachers, revision previous classes, and log out at 6 p.m. and follow YouTube and Facebook of Veerabhadraya Demaya, Gopanahalli. Today's classes, I would like to divert your attention towards the Sslc 10th classes of dated 19th March 2021. In the physics, 7 base SI units. SI, abbreviation stands for SI is Standard International Units. System International, 7 base System International. There are 7 base units that form the basis of the System International J units or International System of Units SI. International System of Units includes SI unit bases, symbols, metric prefixes, unit definitions, imperial conversion. The SI or the International System of Units has been established for many years and it forms the basis of most of the measurements that are used globally on the planet Earth. The International System of Units are officially termed System International J Units, and it was established in 1960 by the 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures. The abbreviation stands for CGPM, Conference, General Conference on Weights and Measures. Many of the older systems like the Imperial system used in the United Kingdom and many other places were not as easy to handle or use, and none were standardized across the world. Within Standard International there are 7 base units upon which all others are based. The base units includes mass, length, time, temperature, amount of a substance, electric current, and luminous intensity. The physical quantity, dimension and the symbol, unit name and the unit symbol. Let us discuss the following. Mass, dimension symbol is m, unit name is kilogram and the unit symbol is kg. Length, L, meter, symbol is m. Time, t, second, small letter s, and temperature and so on and so forth. Candela, the last one is luminous intensity. Dimension, J, candela, city. So these are the very important. The question will be asked in your examination, forthcoming examinations in 10th standard science questions. What is the SI base units of physical quantity? This is the question. You have to answer only one. What is the SI base units of physical quantity? If they ask about electric current, you have to mention name is ampere, symbol is A. If they ask about the quantity temperature, you have to mention Kelvin and the symbol is K. Like this, depending upon the nature of the question, naming the physical quantity, then you have to select the answers. All the questions will not, all the symbols are not asked at a stretch. They will ask only 1 out of 7. It may be any one among 7 basic units. Try to follow. I hope you followed. For example, they will ask, what is the SI base unit of physical quantity in electric current? Then you have to answer, the name is ampere and the symbol is A. That is the SI base unit of a physical quantity of electric current is ampere. The symbol is A. Like this you have to answer. I would like to give information about the 7 base SI units Système International. In order that each of the SI units and quantities can be considered or standardized across the globe, it is necessary to have exact definitions of each of them. While it is unlikely that these definitions of SI units will be used in anything but standard laboratory, they are often useful to see and know. Meter, the definition for meter. The meter is the length of the path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by so and so seconds. Kilogram. The kilogram is the unit of mass equal to the mass of international prototype of kilogram. Second. The second is the duration of the following digits periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levers. F is equal to 4, MF is equal to 0 to F is equal to 3 and F is equal to MF is equal to 0 of the ground state of the cesium, that is 133 atom. Ampere. The ampere is the constant current which, if maintained in 2 straight parallel conductors infinite length of negligible circular cross-section and placed 1 meter apart in vacuum, would produce between these conductors a force equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton per meter of length. Kelvin. Kelvin, unit of thermodynamic temperature, is the fraction of 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Mole. The mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kg of carbon-12. When the mole is used, the elementary entities must be specified and may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, other particles, or specified groups of such particles. Candela. The candela is the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 into 1012 Hz, and that has a radiant intensity in the direction of 1 by 683 watt per steradian. Steradian is the unit. This is the question asked like this only. What is the SI base unit of the physical quantity? The symbol stands for the physical 7 physical quantities. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon and please follow the by subscribing. You will get so many lessons in science classes from BVSM Academy. Take care of the corona second stage and try to follow up the disciplinary things. Don't forget to wear mask and social distance. Take care. See you again in the next forthcoming class.